Welcome back. Let me show you a very clever way to give more structure to your GPT workflow. So one of the things you can do, of course, which is like the basic of getting structure, is to give your chats unique names and also ideally emojis, because that makes it very easy to scan and see what that chat is about. What you don't get in ChatGPT is folders. However, here is a pretty shrewd way to get folders nonetheless. So what you do is this. You just make a folder in Chrome or the browser of your choice. So what you do here, let me show you. So you need to hover with your mouse over here. You right click, and then you can add a folder. If you have folders from other things, like here as an example, I have various folders, then you can click it and drag and drop, and you can also move it to another location. So here I made a folder called My GPTs, and I can move that around. So I like to have it here. So it's very accessible. And within a folder, you can make subfolders. So what I've done here, okay, so here I have a folder of writing related GPTs. Here I have interactive books GPTs, daily life GPTs, like I have Chef Sauvé, I have various GPTs that I have made, and here I have some experimental ones. So, and this is just what I have done so far. I plan to give it a lot more structure, so you could have one folder for your job, one folder for trading, you name it. And what's so convenient is that let's say that I want to do some let's say I want to do some writing, right? I just right click and I can open in a new window if I want. And now I get all of the chats ready to use. And this is really, really convenient. Similar to how I used emojis and explanatory names for the chats here, you can of course do the same here. So I've done it for a few of those I use most, like here as an example, Chef Sauvé. I will move him over here, and I will then remove the other Chef Sauvé. A key thing about Chrome and also other browsers when you make folders is that if you have slight variations to the name of a bookmark, then it will count that as a unique one. So there is you make sure to avoid duplicates, which I did now, but just deleting the duplicate Chef Sauvé, and now I have I have him ready to go. So if I want to use him, I can just go here, click, and then I have and this is an ongoing chat I have with him. So yeah, this is way easier than even scanning here, because there is no search function currently. And also, OpenAI has not made any folders yet, so it can become quite messy. To get even more intel, you can go to this website. I'm adding a bunch of stuff. I have recently made a blog section, and a bunch of other stuff is coming soon, so stay tuned for more. If there's anything specific you want me to cover, then feel free to mention that in the comment section. The primary purpose of Workening is to use the latest tools to increase efficiency. So it's not simply about artificial intelligence, it's also about automation and other productivity hacks. So yeah, just let me know if there's something specific you want me to cover.